What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm back here at the park, and I'm going to be testing out my 7-inch long range. So I do have some headwind ahead of me that's pushing back, so I'm going to run into that. Couple of mods that I did, as you can see on the arms, I added arm guards and soft mounted the motors because I was getting some oscillations in the camera. And then also you'll notice on the back that I put a different connector, so I moved the GPS to the arm and also did a different SMA mount. And the reason I did that is if you remember on the maiden flight, I'll put a link for that at the end of the video. I was having some video issues, and it was because if you notice right there, let me get the thing out of the way, right there there's some extra carbon fiber from the frame, and the antenna, it wasn't very close to the carbon fiber, maybe a little less than 1/4 of an inch, but it was close enough to where it was causing some major interference. So with the help from Chris Teal from Team Hot Dog and all the guys over at Quad Explosion helped me out getting the video issues fixed. So we're going to go ahead and send it up. I'm going to test and see how the oscillations are now that I've soft mounted the motors, and we're just going to see how it does. So if you guys notice, we are over here in the parking lot, and I'm going to try and send it my very best over there to the other side of the park. And I measured it through Google Maps. That's about 1/2 mile. I'd like to try and do a long distance test when there's not a lot of wind. guys, so as you can see, it flew great. I had a little video interference out there, but not too far. It was just a tiny smidgen, not very much. Had good RSSI pretty much the whole way. There was a little bit of interference way out there, but I think it was those electrical lights out by the baseball park that probably caused that, so no biggie. But as soon as I throttled up and went up higher, I regained full RSSI, so that's okay. But anyway, so yeah, so I am very happy with how it went. Having the GPS definitely gives you another level of confidence that I didn't really have before. You know, you just kind of had the warning for low RSSI, you know, or, you know, low telemetry. But now with the GPS on there and the DVR, it gives me that confidence to be able to fly a lot farther out. So I'll definitely be doing some more testing. So thanks guys for watching my video as always. Thanks for hanging out. And while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.